Introduction to Microsoft Access 2013. To download a free trial of Microsoft Access, visit this URL or search for Download Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013. The page should look something like this. Click on the Get Started Now button. You'll need to sign into your Microsoft account or register if you do not have one. Once you've signed in, you'll need to enter your details to download it. Once you've entered your details, click Continue. The site will then take you to the product key page where you can download the software. Select your language and click Download. You'll then see this page with the Akamai NetSession interface. You can download it using this tool. Alternatively, you can scroll to the bottom of this little window and click on If you cannot complete this installation, click here. Click OK on this window. On the right of the window, the direct link to the file has appeared. Click on the link to download the application. Remember, this is only a trial version of Microsoft Office, so if you wish to continue using it after the trial, you'll need to purchase a copy or sign up for Office 365. Unless you've used Microsoft Access before, you may be unclear as to what exactly it is and how you'll use it. Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint and Word are very popular programs, so we're very familiar with them, if only by name. Access, however, isn't as widely used or discussed, so before we begin this course, it's important to look at what this software program does and how it will help you. Microsoft Access is an information management tool that allows you to store, report, and analyze information. If you're trying to use Excel to manage large amounts of information, then chances are Microsoft Access will be helpful to you. You see, a spreadsheet program such as Excel is great if you want to maintain and calculate small bits of information. It's easy enough to use when you want to create a spreadsheet, enter data, or create formulas. Excel makes it very easy to sort, filter, and format quickly. That said, Excel is not ideal for handling hundreds of records if you have one thing that you need to track. It's easy to have errors, and that makes analysis, summing, and reporting difficult. Microsoft Access is the answer to that problem. Think of it as Excel's big sister. She handles everything that Excel might have a tough time helping you with. If you've used previous versions of Microsoft Access, you may be wondering what improvements and upgrades have been added to this latest release. We'll cover all these as the course progresses, but for now we'll give you a simple list so you know what to watch for as we work our way through the upcoming lessons. Share a database on the web. In Access 2007, you had limited support when it came to sharing a database on the web. You could only publish your lists and move databases to document libraries. Now, in Access 2013, you can create web databases if you have access to Access services in Microsoft SharePoint Server 2013. When you do that, users can use the databases in web browser windows. However, Access must be used to make design changes. Export to Pdf and Xps. Access 2013 allows you to export your data to a PDF file or an XPS file to print, post, or email. This was available through an add-in download for 2007. Connect to a web service as an external data source. Access 2013 allows you to connect to a web service as an external data source. To do this, you'll need a web service definition file given to you by a web service administrator. Once you install the file, just link to the service data as a linked table. Backstage View. Microsoft Office Backstage is a companion to the ribbon which was introduced in 2007. You can access the Backstage View by clicking the File tab. It contains commands that you can apply to the entire database, such as compact, repair, or open a new database. The commands that you can use are on the left side of the screen. Each tab contains a group of related commands. For example, if you click New, you can start a new database using one of several methods. As we said, don't worry about learning how these new features work right now. We'll cover them during the course at the appropriate time.